It's on really hot summer days like this, it's going to be 95 here today where I live, that a cold brew comes in really handy, and it's just delicious. It's a great way to prepare and to drink coffee. It's very simple, and I'm going to show you a way today to do it that I think you're just going to love. You can always just go grab a cold brew somewhere. Why bother to make it? Well, there are a number of reasons. Here's a cold brew that I bought just a little while ago at Starbucks, and it's a 16-ounce drink that has some ice in it. Probably has, I'm going to guess, about 6 ounces of ice in it. You know, the thing about cold brew coffee is that it doesn't taste like coffee brewed with hot water. It has this lovely chocolatey flavor. I think it actually has kind of a natural sweetness. I don't even need to add any sweetener of any kind to this. I think it's delicious. A little dab of cream will do you on this too. Really, really great. So add a little fat if you want, if you're on the keto diet. And even if you're not, what a great luxury. Anyway, I think this is a delicious summer drink. Let's go in the kitchen and I'll show you how to make this wonderful coffee. But before we do, let me read you the description from the Starbucks website of their cold brew coffee. I think it's a scream. Check it out. Handcrafted in small batches daily, slow steeped in cool water for 20 hours without touching heat, Starbucks cold brew is made from our custom blend of beans grown to steep long and cold for a super smooth flavor. Well, I have to say, this makes me laugh just a little bit, especially because it starts off with the term handcrafted, which suggests that there's some sort of skill involved here and care, and they actually do it for a longer time than maybe other people do, 20 whole hours in cool water. Doesn't it all sound so attractive and lovely? I think it does, but there's a bit of an exaggeration here. This is a little dramatic. I'm also going to show you how to save a huge amount of money and to make a better drink than you can get after all the hassle you have to go through to get a Starbucks, which is driving to the place, waiting in line in the drive-thru, or going inside and waiting in line, getting the drink after you wait in line, getting back home or going wherever you're going to go afterwards, or drinking it there and waiting around, and there's all this waste and a plastic cup and a lid and all kinds of stuff. You can avoid all of that. Let me tell you something. Theirs costs $3.65 a 16-ounce serving. Mine, 11 cents a serving. And all you do is open a mason jar in the fridge and pour it into a glass filled with ice. Come into the kitchen. Let me show you. Here's everything you'll need to handcraft some cold brew of your own. Starts off with a quart mason jar, a canning funnel, a half a cup of your favorite ground coffee, a quart of cold tap water. In it goes. And then tighten a lid on securely. There we go. And give it a good shake. We want the coffee and the water to be well incorporated. That's really about it. Then wait for 12 hours. And here it is 12 hours later, and all we have to do is filter this. Give it a good shake first, of course. And then you want to pour it into some kind of filter. This is the stainless steel filter that I bought on Amazon a couple of years ago. And as you can see, we have to be patient for just a few minutes more here. It's totally worth it, and it's really not going to be that long before we're drinking some delicious cold brew. Just continue on until you've filtered all of the coffee. Once the grounds have stopped dripping, remove the filter and discard them however you like. Next, replace the lid and store this in the refrigerator for up to a week. You can also serve it right away. You want one? Well, here I am back in the garden with my homemade cold brew, washable, reusable glass, washable, reusable straw, 11 cents. And the shade of my garden. What more could I ask for? Listen, before you go, don't forget to like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. Helps my channel grow, and it helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. Thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talk Cooking, huh? We'll catch you next time.